Well, here we are. That is quite a sight, don't you think?
Very impressive. Can we go now?
We just got here. Are you a scaredy cat?
Not one bit. I'm just afraid. Maybe if you read today's devotion, it'll calm me down.
Don't worry, skittish kitty. It is an inactive volcano. Devotion 61. The Philistines were in quite a mess. For 7 months, they had been experiencing the heavy hand of God in judgment upon them for having the ark of God. Finally, it had gotten bad enough that they determined to send it back to Israel. But when they asked how they should do so, the answer that they received from their Philistine counselors contained a very unique insight. 1 Samuel 6:4. Then said they, What shall be the trespass offering which we shall return to him? They answered, 5 golden emerods, and 5 golden mice, according to the number of the lords of the Philistines, for 1 plague was on you all and on your lords. Wherefore ye shall make images of your emerods, and images of your mice, that mar the land, and ye shall give glory unto the God of Israel. Peradventure he will lighten his hand from off you, and from off your gods, and from off your land. Wherefore then do ye harden your hearts, as the Egyptians and Pharaohs hardened their hearts? When he had wrought wonderfully among them, did they not let the people go? And they departed. Notice that in verse 6 their priests and diviners chastised them for hardening their hearts, just as the Egyptians had done. From the words they used, it is evident that there were those among the Philistines who, despite the death and destruction God was visiting upon them, did not want to let the ark of God go. These counselors of the Philistines pointed back in time about 500 years to the judgments upon Egypt and the Exodus. Do you realize what they, therefore, clearly understood? They understood that the real God never changes. Do rejoice in knowing that the God you serve is the same God of Abraham, Moses, David, Peter, and Paul. He is the same God of all power that he has always been, and we can rest in his strength every day of our lives.
That's a good lesson. God never changes. Hopefully this inactive volcano doesn't change either.
The possibilities of it erupting are like 1 in a million.
Check, please.
Get to the chopper!
Have a blessed day, folks.